Helen Thaver became the first woman to ski solo in the North Pole, and at the age of 50 years. By the age of 12 years, Matt Moniz had already created a record for himself. He had become the youngest climber to summit all the highest points in the US at the least amount of time. Now, you all must be wondering why is she giving us all this information? Is today's video something related to this? So let me tell you that today's video is related to nothing of all this. It's not related to this at all. In fact, we are going to do something different in this video, and I'm going to share few important tips that would help you if you are a first time traveler, or maybe you have been traveling but sometimes you just travel occasionally. In both the cases, it would be helping you. My name is Nitya Rambhadran and I welcome you all to my channel Revamp Mind. My journey with traveling started actually in 2019, that's what I say. Of course, I have traveled a lot as a kid as well because my dad had a transferable job, so I have lived in different parts of India. And during the summer vacations, we used to go to our relatives' house because I'm a South Indian. So we used to go to South India and we used to travel to different places. But I don't know whether that can be called as traveling. In 2019, I decided that I'm gonna travel a lot more in group, in solo as well. But that time also made me realize a lot of mistakes, which I'm gonna share with you. Now, before I proceed, if you like the video, please click on the like button and please click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so whenever I upload a video, you would get notified about it. That would actually motivate me to work harder and to create a better content. And in case you want to see in our website, if you check revampmind.com, you would find a blog on the tips for the first timers. You can read that as well. I will link that on the description and here on the screen as well. You would be able to see that. So talking about the first tip would be research. Research completely about everything. The places you want to go, the places you want to visit, the transport, the clothes that people wear, the language they speak, the weather, and any COVID restrictions are there, what all things you need to carry, if there is any disease or any infection that happens in those places, so you can check that. So check every detail. That would just make you more confident and that will make your trip hassle-free as well. The second tip is an important tip for all the people who are going abroad. It is no-brainer, but still I'm just going to mention it. Make sure that you have enough time for visa, immigration, travel insurance and everything. You plan everything in advance so that towards the end, because it takes time and towards the end you don't want to pay additional amount. And the main important thing is the passport. So make sure you have enough space in the passport to get the stamp done. And in case your passport is going to expire in a couple of months, apply for a renewal of the passport at least 6 to 8 months prior, because sometimes it may take time and you don't want to worry about that constantly. So apply for that in advance. Now, when you are traveling in a crowded place, especially it's very difficult to carry a backpack. Because one thing, if you have loaded a lot of things, if you have put a lot of things on your backpack, it would become heavy. And plus, it's very easy for the thieves or anyone standing behind you, because thieves are very intelligent, trust me on that. They can just flip open your bag and remove your cash. They can just flip open your bag and remove the cash or mobile phones, anything, and you would not even get to know about it. So please be careful. It's always better to carry maybe a sling bag or a waist pouch, which you can see on the screen here. And you can carry all the emergencies. You can put all the emergency things in that, like emergency medicines or the keys, cash, mobile phones, cards, or any important document that you want to carry, or maybe some munchies like biscuits or nuts in case you feel hungry. So it's always better. So this is the third point that I want to say, that whenever you're traveling in the crowded place, make sure you have a sling bag or something which is in the front, so you know that everything is safe. Now, the fourth point, talking about the fourth point, this actually happened with me because I learned a big lesson out of this. In 2019, when I went to Rajasthan, I had gone to Pushkar, Ajmer and Jaipur. And in Jaipur we went to Amer Fort. Now whoever has gone to Amer Fort, everyone knows that it's huge, and there are over around 500 steps that you have to climb to go on top, to go up. So I had to go to the washroom, so I told my friends that they can carry on and I'll join them. And when I came back, I could not see them. Probably, of course, they moved on. And I went up, I could not find them at all. There was no mobile range. Literally, I was taking help from strangers, trying to call my friends, speaking to them, where are they? They could see me because they were on a higher altitude or higher level, but I could not see them. Even when they were saying that we are here, don't worry, stay there, I could not hear because there was so much of noise, there was so much of chaos. I had panicked so much, so I could not hear. Of course, we all met at the end, but what happened was that I did not explore the Amer Fort at all. I roamed the whole fort. I could not see anything because I was so tensed and I was just looking for my friends. I have a plan to go in future because I've not seen it. I even missed the light and sound show. Even my friends missed it because of me. But what I'm trying to say is, because this is the fourth point, that stay in group. So try to be in the group. In case you have to go out and you are not in the group, probably decide a time that you all will meet at this place at 6 o'clock. Or maybe everyone can just roam solo, everyone can see the things on their own, and everyone can meet at the hotel maybe at 9:30 or 9 or whatever. Decide a time and do that. So everyone is on their own and you can enjoy, you can see everything. So the fifth point is for all the people who need to pack smartly. So you cannot carry your whole world with you in case you're going for a 10-day trip. You need to understand, the best thing is that you can make a list of all the things that you want to take. Mix and match clothes. And I know a lot of people do this mistake that they would carry a huge bottle of conditioner, they will carry a huge bottle of moisturizer with them, which is not needed. First of all, most of the hotels have shampoo or conditioners, sample small bottles, they have it. But in case you want to carry your own, maybe take a small amount of cream or shampoo, or maybe carry a sachet of shampoo. Do that. So that would reduce your space and you would be able to pack conveniently. Probably because at the end you might have to carry it every time, so that doesn't make sense. The sixth and the last point, and it is an important point, that keep someone aware of all your whereabouts, your booking details, which hotel you're going to stay, your itinerary, some emergency contact details, anything and everything. So God forbid if something happens, someone is there who can help you at that time and they can reach out to you. And towards the end, I would like to tell you the most important thing, that explore, enjoy, because traveling actually gives you a lot of amazing experiences. It teaches you a lot. It changes the way you look at things. So enjoy traveling, explore things, create some amazing memories, because these are the things that are going to stay with you. Click some awesome pictures, videos, etc. And in case, because I used to do this mistake, in case you have decided that you're going to do 10 things and out of that you're able to do just 8 things, instead of thinking that you have missed 2 things, think that you have covered 8 things and enjoy that moment. So again, these were the things I wanted to share in this video. Let me know in the comment section what are your traveling experiences and which place you would like to travel. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon as well. So next time, whenever I upload a video, you would get notified about it. So see you next week. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.